2, 1, action.
Hi guys, we just got back from Animal Kingdom. The guy got from Animal Kingdom.
And what else did you get?
Yeah, we got lanyard and we also got slot bracelets.
Show me.
I don't have my own though, but we got this today. We just got back from Animal Kingdom. Well, of course it was a long drive, but I hope you like this video and you like my slap bracelet.
Everyone got a different slap bracelet.
Max, what do you have there?
A stitch.
A stitch. Did you have fun today?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the stroller.
The stroller? Riding in the stroller with Jace?
Yeah.
All right, what was your favorite ride?
My favorite ride, of course, not Mount, whatever. Not Mount.
The Yeti ride?
Yeah, no.
Okay, is it my turn?
Mount Everest? That was scary, wasn't it?
I was like literally crying. Like I went with my dad, but I was still literally crying. My dad said it was fake, but I was still crying.
And what do you got, Addison?
I got this awesome slap bracelet, plus this A for my name, and then it flips little Mickeys. And my favorite ride, just like Aria, was Mount Everest.
Well, that was not her favorite.
Oh, well, that was my favorite either way.
Max's favorite was the stroller.
My favorite was.
Wait, can I tell you about it?
My favorite was going on the boat.
Yeah.
Mine, can I tell mine?
In Pandora?
That was pretty cool, what he did. Mine was Mount Everest. They would show you like actual like goggles, and there was two $1 bills, and I was like, can I have that? In the screen. And in the middle of it, there was two, one was like the shadow of a Yeti ripping the tracks. And then another was of the Yeti roaring, and then I think my dad seen him. I didn't see him. And you go backwards, and then you go down at the same time. And then, you know what y'all do? Then you'll go forward, and you go up Mount Everest, and then you go down. And everyone was scared, including my dad. It was pretty cool.